Hi, this is the Lamisu Daily channel. Welcome. This is for Virgo, Sun, Moon and Rising for May 2020. Remember, this is just, it's not a personal reading. It's for the collective, or it's just a general reading. So if it doesn't resonate with you, then you're free to leave. Go to another channel. I use the Waite deck to get two clear energies, one off the top which will be your energy, and one off the bottom which is the whole purpose of the reading. And I like to use this deck because you get clear, specific meanings, clear, direct energy. So for the bottom you have the Ten of Pentacles and the Justice. With the Six of Cups left on the bottom. I'm going to pull one off the Universal Love, and I'll read what that's about at the end. All these cards are pre-shuffled, so celebration. And I will be using the Light Seers Tarot. On May 2020. Sun, Moon and Rising, Virgo. I see you're at the end of a very long spiritual journey. Might have been some very hard lessons to learn, but you're coming to the end of that. So we have the Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Eight of Pentacles. And on the bottom, the Four Wands. So your energy is justice, so you're coming from a very balanced place, balance between your emotions and the truth. So when you make decisions from this kind of energy, it's very balanced, and it's always right, the right thing to do in the right way with the Justice card. Because remember, this is your energy. The way your energy at this time maybe is what people see, or how you are actually carrying yourself and how people see you. Very balanced. And the whole purpose of the reading is the Ten of Pentacles. So a lot of people see this as money. It doesn't have to mean money. It actually means legacy, building and leaving a legacy. So you could be coming to another end of a cycle with the Ten of Pentacles. But we'll get further into that. you're celebrating something as well. I think you're celebrating your spiritual growth in lessons learned, but also recognizing them lessons, not like just not letting them go by, absolutely recognizing them, know where you went wrong, the other person or whoever it involves. Because remember, you've got the Justice. So in your recent past, it's the Knight of Pentacles. So the Knight of Pentacles is seriously underrated. He's never, doesn't get much airtime, this Knight of Pentacles. Whatever this man sets out to do, he'll do it. You see, he's slowly making his way to where he needs to be. This Knight will always get to where he needs to be. What he's planned on, however long it takes him, he's always going to get there. And because this is your recent past, I feel like you've planned a lot of things for it to come together at this moment in time, especially with the Justice card. But he's definitely going to where he planned to go. And maybe for your present, where you plan to go was the Ace of Swords. So this is all about truth, clarity. What you see in this staircase here, it's all about wisdom. Any light I see like this, it's like enlightenment, it's pure, it's honest, it's true. With this staircase, it's like it's the staircase of wisdom. Feel like you've been on a long journey here, gathering your information, living in your own truth. Well, this Ace of Swords is definitely powerful. This is all about truth, clarity, wisdom, and also being able to speak your truth. Coming from a very, very kind of high vibration. This is all about being balanced, and this is all coming from your truth, wisdom. And you've definitely been working hard on this. As you see, she's looking backwards. So this is working on a craft. Definitely working on the craft. And I think they've got these pentacles as moon phases or something like that. I feel like it's took you a long time. This is definitely working on your craft. So with this, you could be setting up, you've got 3 pentacles. So maybe you're starting a business, what's just about to start, you know, getting to it, and you've planned it and you've worked your way towards it slowly, found out the information that you needed to be able to do that. Really working on your craft there. And this celebration just ties in with it all. I'm going to pull some clarifiers. Lord of Pentacles for you, Virgo. You've been working hard on your money, hard on practicality, on your skill. Whatever you've been learning, it's all balanced and it's all what you deserve, because this is a Justice card. This is your energy. It's all what you deserve. You put in all the work, all the time, planned it, and you got there. I do feel it's something like a business. You see how the dove's just taken off here? I do feel that you're having at this present time in coming into May, but definitely by the end of May, something that you've slowly worked towards and created yourself. Whatever that is, it could be a relationship, your own business, something within your personal life, anything. You are good. Whatever you've done, you're good at it. with these two cards, because this man definitely gets it. This is putting in the time, the energy, everything to master a craft, and this is leaving a legacy. So with this, I feel like it's all starting to come together. You see how it's just about to take off. So I think you're going to start entering May with something taken off. So I hope this is resonating, sorry. You'll have to let us know in the description if it's your own business or what you've been working towards. So you've got the Ten of Cups, clarifying the Knight of Wands, the Six of Cups, and the Ace of Cups. All cups on the bottom. Oh, and at the bottom of the deck. Let me explain this Fool to you. This is the Fool card, so definitely going into May, whatever you work towards, slowly and surely, putting your steps like 1, 2, 3, doing all the work that needs to go into the Knight of Pentacles, brings you here. This is the Fool card, so this is the start of the journey. However, this is no ordinary Fool. It's not like the Waite deck. She's trusting this process. I don't even think the Fool in the Waite deck knows what trust is. But you see, she does. I call her the evolved Fool. So this is somebody who's already been on that mass cycle with the world, closes out, and then it starts again. So whatever you're going into or venturing into, you've already done it, and you're going round in that cycle, evolved, already known. So this, and see how our arms is all open. So she's open to this new experience. She's got the amethyst there. She's absolutely trusting her intuition. Some sacred geometry there. I don't quite know what that means, but this is not an ordinary Fool. I don't think the Fool just does her justice, to be honest, because she's open to this new cycle, trusting this new cycle. Excuse me. So with these two cards together, that's interesting. You might actually have walked away from a relationship, from something that made you happy in the past, to be able to do maybe it's your own business, or maybe you feel that you have to choose. I feel like you're walking away from this kind of situation, from the Ten of Cups. And this is your recent past. So within the last few weeks, I feel like you've walked away from a relationship, a friendship, a job, anything. Definitely feel like you've walked away from something. You see at the bottom here, you have the Ten of Cups, the Six of Cups, and the Ace of Cups. But I just don't think this is a love reading. I think you've had a connection, a strong connection with your past, with somebody from your past. You see here, this is seeing the clarity. This is enlightenment. Look, these rays of light and the wisdom. I think you saw through this. I don't think this past relationship is what you thought it was. You might still strongly feel connected to this relationship, but I think you're seeing the truth. The truth and why you walked away from this relationship. I don't know why I'm saying that, because normally with all the hearts, I would definitely say there's somebody there, but I feel like you're really walking away from someone. With the Eight of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups, whatever craft you've been mastering and or where you've been putting your time and energy into, this is what it's going to bring. Brand new cycle with back to the Ace of Cups. Whatever you're creating in this reading, it's going to bring you so much success. I'm just going to pull one more card, two more cards for the end of May. What is the final outcome of May? What is the final outcome of May? What's the final outcome of May? Oh, Wheel. And the Three of Cups. Got a lot of cups here. So I feel like if you have walked away from somebody, you're still carrying residual energy. And I feel like that will close out by the end of May. These are snakes round here, and what snakes represent to me is wisdom. So like what I was talking about with the Fool card, it's all about closing that cycle out and taking wisdom, taking everything that you learned from that last cycle through into May, through with the evolved Fool. These cards are lovely, and within that I feel happiness, meeting people, meeting new people, open, because look, all the arms is open to the new possibilities. That's what I'm going to name this for me, open to new possibilities. If you like this, please subscribe, leave a comment so I know what the feedback's going to be like. I'm sorry I'm a bit nervous, this is my first reading going on to YouTube. Hopefully over the next couple of weeks you see a big change. But just to round it all off, I think May is going to be a very positive, solid month for you, where you work towards your goals. In this celebration, I think you're going to find a lot of your own self-worth in May. I don't think you should ever have doubted yourself with these cards. I think you might still feel a strong pull to the past if you've just left somebody, or you know, the connection's fading away or dying out. I still feel that there's still a pull to that person, a pull to the past, but don't let that stop you. Keep going forward, as it's a really positive reading. Please let me know in the descriptions if this resonated. Thanks, bye.